We have a lot to cover in this episode, people. We'll discuss what Trump plans to do with cryptocurrency as well as the rumors and reports that are circulating on these trading websites, the monitoring websites that only display tokens from the USA. A new cryptocurrency category was recently introduced. This cryptocurrency is manufactured in the USA. What Trump will do with cryptocurrency taxes and which assets will be taxable and which won't are questions that I believe are being answered. Let's get started right away, so take a seat back and unwind. Bitcoin is now trading at $104,199, down 2.35% over the last day. Ethereum is now down 0.36% and is trading at $3,296. Even though XRP is down 3.99%, it is still holding steady at number 3 at $3.12. However, we are observing a slight recovery on all hourly charts. At $3,595,000, the total market value of cryptocurrencies is aiming to return to $3.6 trillion. Now, if you haven't joined our Telegram group yet, please sure to do so. This morning, another chart will be released. This is the place to be if you want to be a part of a community that is great, where you can ask questions, learn new things, and maybe even share your expertise with others. Maybe 2 weeks ago or so, we started a Telegram. The link is included in the description of my YouTube video. Resilient shines, the price of XRP is expected to rise parabolically after we receive this. It claims that the price of XRP began a new rise above the $3.25 mark. It is now holding gains and could begin a new rise if it clears $3.18. That's right, $3.18 is the crucial number for XRP right now. According to the report, the price is currently trading below the 100 simple moving average of $3.20 on the hourly chart. A significant rising channel is emerging, with support located at $3.06. If it remains above $3, the pair may begin a new upward trend. That's why we want XRP to remain above $3 and maybe move back up to roughly $3.36, give or take. At $3.13, is a breakout in XRP imminent? Is it accelerating? As previously mentioned, I think the Trump pump will occur near the end of the month or early in February. Blockchain backer stated, "Hey, we got a bull flag in motion on the XRP chart, and I do think that's when Bitcoin will ultimately break out." You want to see a bull flag because they are bullish. He is therefore also searching for a possible breakthrough. I appreciate how this is going, people, and I enjoy that XRP managed to stay over the $3 mark. Yes, we did get a small amount of wick down to around $2.88, but it didn't last. It was just a tiny, delicate wick, which is completely nothing, and it wasn't a candle closure or a candle formation. We can start moving back up at this point, which is roughly $2.88, give or take. Even though it's only the first day on XRP, you can still see that we are optimistic about the 4-hour, 1-day, and 1-month markets. Will there be a breakout soon? Expect the rest of the market to follow if Bitcoin begins to take off. Then, as you can see right here, for maxdata.app, this indicates that if this number goes negative, it's typically in the negative range. You can see that the price is rising when it is 2 or less, as it is down here. Right now, we're nearly at 8.1. Let's continue to monitor the order books. I know that sounds like a lot, but it's not actually necessary for XRP to move up. It's roughly 3 points. We'll call it 5 million XRP, which isn't much considering that in previous move-ups, we were looking at anything between 11 and 19 million on these order books that needed to be broken. Right now, we need roughly 5 million XRP to return to the $3.30 range and another 10 million XRP to reach $3.40. We are aware of how quickly this order book may fill up, particularly when XRP begins to gain traction. These order books are swiftly consumed when individuals begin to peek in and FOMO into XRP. Take note of this. Take note of the order books that are out there. Binance is the source of this, and all of the main monitoring websites have released this new cryptocurrency category. This is significant. it suggests to me something that will be relevant to the Trump crypto, tax-free concept that he is considering, and we are discussing the leading U.S.-created currencies. As you might anticipate, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, AVAX, Stellar, SUI, HBOR, Litecoin, Uniswap, and of course, the Trump currency are listed first. Aptos, Amdo, Aldoran, Filecoin, Optimism, Stacks, Injective, Theater, Movement, Gala, and Tezos, Aerodrome are all present here, along with Molina's coin. All I know is that I'm glad I have a lot of these because, if they are the assets that won't be subject to capital gains taxes, we're going to see a ton of money pour into them. This is because, depending on the new rules, you might not be charged or have to pay a capital gains tax if you hold these assets for a year or if you cash them out and perhaps there isn't a time frame attached. People, if that's the case, we're going to see a huge influx of funds from U.S. holders into these assets. The price rises as money pours in. That's how easy it is. I'm content. XRP, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Avalanche, Stellar, Hardera, and Gala are among the coins I've been grabbing. I received many of these. This gives me a very positive feeling. I felt confident when I indicated that I was purchasing a significant amount of Chainlink. Then, we learned that Trump's World Liberty DeFi platform recently acquired another $4.7 million worth of Link, increasing its total holdings to $6.7 million. What do they know, therefore, if Trump's project is acquiring Chainlink? I always tell you the story, and it's a really straightforward story. Before the institutions do, invest in these assets. I believe they stated that Trump's average purchase price for this was between $24 and $25. We outperformed them since our dollar cost average is lower than that. Perhaps not to the same extent as the institutions, we beat them in. I wish I had $4 million to invest in the markets and quickly make 2 to 3 times that amount, leaving me with more than $12 million. What do you know? Retail is priced out, as I already mentioned. This money is not available to retail. However, people, this is a very, very bullish indicator. Next, we arrive to this. We accomplished a new milestone with the XRP ledger. There are currently 70 million closed ledgers. The main conclusion, it says, is that 70 million ledgers have been closed on the XRP ledger. In order to ensure that transactions are validated, validators play a critical part in the ledger closure process. This milestone increases trust in the XRP ledger, which has an effect on the larger cryptocurrency market. The use case of XRP is being expanded by technological developments like the introduction of silos, which improve the capabilities of the XRP ledger, and Ripple's strategic partnerships, notably with ArchX. The utility and volume keep increasing. There is just one possible outcome for the price when we encounter this combination. It will increase. Another breakout is on the horizon. XRP will eventually reach a new all-time high and enter the $4 range. Price discovery will begin when it occurs. What occurs following price discovery is unknown. Where the price will go is unknown to us. How quickly it will rise is unknown to us. It's one of the most exciting times in cryptocurrency, and when you combine that with the impending tremendous bull run in these markets, there will be a huge rush of people buying XRP because they might not have to pay taxes on top of it. We are quite close to this ultimate bullish scenario, which is what we have been discussing and searching for going forward. This year, it is taking place. This year, it will happen. People, don't get distracted here. The bull run is still going strong. The situation is far from being resolved. The end is in sight, and we are about to experience the most optimistic period in the history of cryptocurrency.